Introducing the 2024 Seat Arona 1.0tsi 115 horsepower SE Plus in sleek black. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation and more, this hatchback is perfect for any journey. With advanced safety features like ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim and cup holders for added comfort. Plus, with roof rails and privacy glass, you'll turn heads wherever you go. And don't forget about the powertrain and anti-corrosion warranties for added assurance. This vehicle has been fully checked and serviced to manufacturer specifications. For more information or to schedule a test drive, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today.